Today, we're tackling a critical issue: why your salon may not be making money. Hey there, beauty bosses, it's Amy Carter from Empowering You Consulting. And did you know that nearly 80% of salons struggle with profitability within the first 5 years? It's frustrating when you're putting in the hours providing top-notch services and yet the profits are not rolling in. But don't worry, together we're going to uncover some common reasons why it might be happening and, more importantly, how you can turn things around. So let's dive right in. The first culprit could be your pricing structure. Are your prices reflecting the true value of your services? A survey shows 60% of salon owners underprice their services thinking it will attract more clients. But the reality is this: underpricing not only undermines your expertise, but also cuts into your profits. Take a close look at your costs, everything from products to labor, and ensure your prices are set to cover these expenses while also delivering a profit. Remember, clients are willing to pay for quality, so do not be afraid to price your services accordingly. Another common issue is poor inventory management. Did you know that up to 20% of salon revenues can be lost due to overstocking or understocking of your products? If you're overstocking products that don't sell or understocking popular items, you're more likely going to be losing some money. So take control of your inventory by tracking sales trends and ordering smartly. This way, you're not only stocking what you know, and it's going to move quickly, you're not only tying up valuable cash in that excess stock. A well-managed inventory not only reduces waste, but also ensures you have the products your clients want when they want them. Inefficient staff scheduling can also drain your profits. In fact, studies show that salons can lose up to 15% of their potential revenue due to poor staffing scheduling. If you're overstaffed during your slow periods, you're paying for labor that is not generating income. But on the flip side, if you're understaffed during peak times, you're more likely going to lose clients due to long wait times or rush services. Use data from your salon management software to identify trends in busy and slow periods and schedule your staff accordingly. A well-optimized schedule ensures that your team is working efficiently and that you're not wasting money on really that unnecessary labor cost. So let's talk about marketing. Are you effectively promoting your salon and spa? According to recent data, 63% of consumers need to hear a company's message 3 to 5 times before they consider taking action. Simply relying on word of mouth or sporadic social media posts won't cut it in today's competitive market. You need a consistent and strategic marketing plan that includes social media, email campaigns, and some local promotions. If potential clients don't know about your salon, then they cannot book appointments. Invest in marketing that highlights what makes your salon so unique, whether it's your expert staff, specialized services, or your luxurious environment. And make sure your message is reaching the right audience. And finally, one of the biggest reasons salons and spas struggle with profitability is ignorant.
You're not wrong. I don't think you would want to say that.
Ignorance?
Right there.
Real ignorance, people. Okay, the truth is, it's all about ignorance. Okay. Finally, one of the biggest reasons salons struggle with profitability is ignoring your client retention. Did you know that increasing your client retention by 5% can boost your profits by 25% to 95%? It's not enough to just get new clients to the door. You need to keep them coming back. Focus on building strong relationships with your clients by providing excellent customer service, personalized follow-ups, and loyalty programs. Regular clients are the backbone of your business, and nurturing these relationships can lead to more frequent visits, higher spending, and valuable word-of-mouth referrals. If your salon and spa isn't making the money you expected, do not panic. There are solutions. By reevaluating your pricing, tightening up your inventory management, optimizing staff scheduling, boosting your marketing efforts, and focusing on client retention, you can turn things right around. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to improve and grow. If you're ready to dive deep into these strategies and get tailored advice from your salon, head over to empoweringyouconsulting.com and book your free strategy session with one of our incredible salon coaches. Together, we can take your salon back on track and thriving. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.